This is a 2012 Husqvarna fleet package. This fleet package includes one Husqvarna commercial backpack blower model 350BT, two Husqvarna straight shaft string trimmers models 323L, one commercial Husqvarna chainsaw model 455Rancher. One of the zero turns included in this package is the pz6030. This is a 60-inch cutting deck, 30 horsepower Kohler engine, commercial zero turn. This mower features a deck lift foot assist, rubber discharge chute, greasable spindles, suspension seat, double gas tanks, heavy duty frame and casters, large rear wheels. The 30 horsepower Kohler engine has a Donaldson air filter system. This machine has a rollover protection and is a model pz6030. Over this way you'll see a pz7030. This machine is a 72-inch cutting deck with a 34 horsepower Kawasaki engine. The Kawasaki engine also has the Donaldson air filter system. This machine also has rollover protection, double gas tanks, a suspension seat, heavy duty frame and casters, greasable spindles, rubber discharge chute, but this one has a 72-inch cutting deck. This is a pz7234 and a pz6030 Husqvarna fleet package deal that also includes one 350BT blower, two 323L trimmers, and one 455 Rancher chainsaw.